Hi, I'm Dana.
And I'm Maggie. And we're here our
Yeah.
last night in Pamplona, last hour of sunlight in Pamplona, outside the old walls.
Yeah, I'm going to turn a little so you can see these walls because they're just astounding. They're absolutely amazing. And the reason we're here talking to you is because we've just recently, 2 days ago, finished the segments of the Camino de Santiago. The segments, I say, because the whole Camino, the whole way, is 800 kilometers or 500 miles. We decided that we had 3 weeks to spend and that we were going to do this in a fair weather condition and see how much we could do. So we took a bus to Roncesvalles and began in the furthest reach of Spain to come back to Pamplona. That's a 30-mile hike. Maggie and I have never done 30 miles before. Whenever we hike,
But how did we do it? With the training from Restore Physical Therapy. Da 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 da!
I was going for that. I was just going to get there. Yeah, we always look for shorter walks, but with the help of Restore and the doctors therein, we were able to do the 30 miles and swear to God, not ache, not have a pain, not anything.
And thanks to Amanda and Mary, we did it! Damn it!